So let's take a look at Tkinter Spinboxes. So Tkinter Spinboxes allow you to increase or decrease a number by 1 each time. So you have two buttons next to something like a label. It's a cross between a label and an entry. So let me show you what a spinbox does. So let's create spin.py, import Tkinter as import Tkinter as tk, root is equal to tk dot tk. Next, spinbox is equal to tk dot spinbox, and master should be root. Now I can enter a starting point for it, and from underscore, not from equal to, it's from underscore equal to. It's because from is a keyword in Python, and that's why we're using an underscore. So from underscore, start from 3 to 26. 2 is equal to 26. So let's try and pack this. Spinbox.pack and root.main loop. Running this. See how it is. So you can see I've got a spinbox here. I can increase this all the way till 26. After that I can't. I can even decrease it all the way till 3, and then I can't change it. I can even type inside this 13, something like that, and that's Tkinter Spinboxes for you. Now by default I wanted it to be set to not 3 but 12. So how do I do that? You would create a Tkinter string variable. So value spin is equal to tk.spinbox, and our variable will be, let's take the variable as root. The parent should be root. Text variable is value spin. It's all entered that. So that's why now we can value spin dot set, which sets the value inside our string variable. We'll set it to 1. And sorry, this is string variable. Mistake, my bad. String variable, set it to 1. Oops, 1 isn't inside the range of 3 and 26, is it? Let's just set it to 13. Run now. As you can see, from 13 I can increase or decrease it. So let's try and print out the value every single time it changes. So you know what parameter we should add? The command and lambda, since we're going to be using print with parenthesis. Inside this, value spin dot get. Now have we done that? Dot get. Run this. As I increase this or decrease it, whenever it changes, the value is put in the console. So that's what you need to know about a spinbox. Now, when would you use a spinbox? Let me give you a few examples and where I've used it myself. If you need to change the font size, you could use it there. If you need to take the date of birth, you could use it there. If you want to make an app which changes images like a slideshow, you could use this to change the slideshow slide number. There are several applications for the spinbox, and that's why I think it's important. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay tuned for the next video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, since that's the only way that I can be supported.